That's right, you've guessed it. New earrings are loading today to my Etsy store. I will share the link in the description box. Happy shopping, and thank you for those of you that are new subscribers. I share creative videos every week, normally on Tuesdays and Thursdays. However, like you, I'm a super busy mom and wife and business owner, and so I definitely share weekly. It just depends on the days. You know how you don't miss anything? Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share with other people that are creators just like you and I. Have an incredible week. God bless you. I'm Garlinda Price, and I'll talk to you soon.